it's Finnovation. Today I'm here with my friend Lucas.
Hi.
And Lucas has the obvious question today.
How do you make a duct tape Iron Man Gauntlet from Avengers Endgame?
So today Lucas is going to be showing me how to do that. Let's get into it. Okay, now for materials. You're going to need some gray duct tape, some red duct tape. It doesn't have to be official duct tape brand, but just some red tape in general. These gloves that are like, the rubber type or the plastic type, both work.
And some popsicle sticks, hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, and optional, some LED lights.
Also, you're going to need some cardboard and maybe some, what's it called?
Tinfoil.
Tinfoil, that's the word. Yeah. Also, we're going to be using this so our infinity stones light up. Let's get into it.
First thing we're going to do is you're going to wrap a few pieces of duct tape around your wrist so when you hot glue the cardboard, it doesn't melt the glove. So we're going to, now, since we've covered our gloves and duct tape, we're going to get some cardboard and build from a little below the wrist and go down.
Just like that. So we thought we were just going to put one around there, but we decided to cover the whole thing since it would just save us some time later. So let's get into it. Okay, so what we just did was we finished making these. So what this is going to be is we line it inside with duct tape so it's smooth, but we are going to put this like right here, and we're going to have some saran wrap, and we're going to wrap it around here so that we can have a cool like arm piece. We're going to do that right now.
Now we're going to make our gloves look like the gauntlet.
That's
awesome.
That's awesome. So, we are not going to make mine anymore because we figured we do not have enough red duct tape to finish making this. And so we're just going to make Lucas's, but that looks so cool. How we made the little light was we got a piece of our glove from the beginning and we cut a chunk out of it. Then we used some marker, colored over it, and we put the light under it, and it looks awesome. Okay, so we just finished making this. That looks awesome. Lucas, go up and show the camera that. We really think that that looks so cool. That looks so awesome, and
We got all the infinity stones glowing.
it looks
It
amazing.
looks pretty sick. You could just use rocks or colored cardboard, but we decided to go a little.
Now we're gonna make it look pretty with a silver marker. Okay, so we put some details on the front, and it is looking awesome. The lights look absolutely crazy cool.
That's cool.
So we're just gonna keep doing the palm, and we'll check back in after that. Okay, so we're done, and the gauntlet is looking absolutely mad. Here, Lucas, show him on the camera.
Boom.
That looks so
Infinity stones
awesome.
light up. It just looks
Show the
crazy.
palm, because we last clip we didn't have the palm done, but now we do. It is looking absolutely
great detail
cool.
in the
So, otherwise, I think this project took about an hour. We wasted most of our time on stuff because we started making mine, and
Yeah.
and we just decided we didn't need that. So otherwise, let's get to the final reveal.
Oh yeah. Okay, so that wraps it up. This Iron Man Gauntlet glove thing is looking
really, really cool. Iron Man, that reminds me of a joke.
Oh no.
What is one villain Iron Man could never get mad at?
I don't know who.
Magneto. He finds him just too attractive, magnets and iron.
Oh my gosh.
Whatever, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. What should they do down below, Lucas?
Subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.